Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. And to know what's today's video, just sit still and keep on watching. Hi everybody. Okay, so today I will be opening my new camera. This is I forgot. Okay, I guess it's the Canon I ordered. I don't know, I ordered so many stuff from Amazon that sometimes I really forgot what is the product that I am opening. Weird, huh? Okay. Let's open it up. Oh my, and another thing, this actually arrived like 1 week ago, and imagine I just opened it right now. And this is not a good idea all the time because you never know if they are defective. But Amazon has, you know, 30 days window return. Now, how do I exactly open this thing? Oh, sometimes it's so frustrating to do unboxing. It's because it's just weird. I don't know. No, because my problem is opening the package because I have no energy. I have no strength. That's why I'm working out right now. No, yeah, I'm just so slow. I mean, I don't have energy. I'm surprised I'm able to open this. Okay. Ooh! I don't know if you see it. I hope you can see that. And I hope my battery on my DSLR will not go empty because before I able to film this, like I ran 3 batteries and they're all dead. Guess what? They're all dead. So I hope you're not going to turn off on me. Ooh, let's see. Ah, this is it. This is my... Let me take a breath. This is my Canon VIXIA HF R700. Ooh, I like that red color. What is this? And you see the packaging. I like it. Not really so much because there's no bubbles. I like to, you know, I like to burst the bubbles. I mean to pop the bubbles, but they don't have the bubbles here. It's okay. Okay, this is from the Amazon 33rd Street camera. Thank you for choosing blah blah blah. Okay, you're welcome. And okay guys, this is it, and I hope I'm focused with the camera. Oh my goodness, well, look at that Canon VIXIA HF R700 HD camcorder. I actually, oh, in NFC. Oh, that's nice. There it is. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna have this up close when I do really the detailed review of the product inside. Don't worry. So this is it. What this is it? Okay, 57 times advanced zoom. Yay! Oh my goodness, I had a Canon, another Canon. It has like 60 times zoom. It reached really so far away. It is crazy. But what I don't like that other Canon is the color is really pale. I mean, I look so pale. I'm already pale, and in the video camera it even got way so pale. So I look like I have no blood at all. So I have to buy this another one. And I hope this will not make me pale. I hope the color is rich like what you see right now. I'm wearing a pink. This is Minion is yellow. So I hope Minion is yellow and mine is pink. I don't want it to be like white or whatever. So I have not yet really to try this. Of course not. And I am so excited to try this, guys. Ooh, there it is. That's it. Oh, believe me, I've seen already some features of this one. It is also amazing. The zoom, but the quality is nice so far. What I've seen on video review some other people, but I'm gonna really see it myself. So this is the Canon Full HD 1080p HD progressive MP4 35 Mbps. It has HDMI included, and remember, this is the Canon VIXIA HF R700. I hope you can see this when I'm opening this. I should have really charged my other batteries because I'm gonna be doing I don't know, guys, can you see this? Okay, I guess you can. So stop, registration, manual. I absolutely need the manual. Yeah, that is so important. And I like the packaging. Look, the red. And oh my goodness, this is Valentine's Day today, so happy Valentine's Day, guys. And look at that, it's red. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the battery. Don't worry, we're gonna have a close-up of this one. I'm just gonna show you what it came with. This is the charger, the HDMI. Okay, there it is. And the USB cable already. It's super light. Oh my goodness, this looks like a toy. Look at that. Oh my, it's so small. Look, how small is this? What can I compare it with? Okay, now this is really small, as you can see. And look how small that is. Look at the camcorder. Oh my peanut, this is so cute. I already like it from the physical future. I already like it. I already fell in love at the first sight. It's so cute. My other Canon, I wish I have that in here. My other Canon is bigger than this, but this one is so cute. Oh my goodness. I know I sound so corny, but it's so cute. Unbelievably cute. I love Canon products. They are amazing. Oh, so... Hold on. Oh, so cute. Pretty. Look at this. See? And it is cute, guys. Okay, it's time for up close with this one. So let me put this up, and I'm gonna transfer it is really cute. Okay, let's go to the up close version. Okay guys, so I'm here now with the up close, and I have Angry Bird here who will help me. I hope he'll not be angry right now. Okay, okay, so this is how small it is again, sweetie. So yeah, this is the up close. It is so glossy and shiny. The optical zoom is 32 times, and it has an optical image stabilizer. This is the front. Yeah, where's the lens, guys? Okay. Oh my goodness, where is the lens to this one? No, I mean the lens cover. What am I talking about? Okay. Yeah, so this is so cute. This is, I don't know what is that. This is where it shows the light for charging, if you're charging power. And okay, this has the battery. I gotta put, oh my goodness, I hope this is charged. I mean, it should be having a little, okay, so it just snaps right in there. This is a really nice camera. I have one like this I use for my DSLR. It holds a lot of power, so you don't run out battery that quick.
Did you walk across there and get my glasses?
Okay, hold on. Where? Welcome. Okay, so yeah, so this is where it will be blinking red if you're recording. And oh, I got it. Okay, guys, it's close, open, close, open. It's right here at the side. That's, see, close, and then nice. It's not separated because I don't like that when the lens cover is separated totally, because I'm nuts with things. I really just lost them. But this one I like it because it's attached. Just flip that button up, and it has this standard tripod for standing tripod. And then, okay, I know, let's open it up, and then that's the inside. On, off, this button, this is to play the video. Okay, so this is the SD card. These are the USB cord slot, HDMI out. Oh nice, it has a AV out. Nice. And it has a microphone, external microphone slot. Wow, awesome. Okay. And now this one, I have this mine because this doesn't come with a SD card, so I have already an SD card. I'm just using a 16 gigabytes right now, and this is where you put it. Okay, open, and then I hope this is the right way. Okay, let's close it. But you know what, I only hope that this has a battery. What? Don't have a battery? Oh my goodness. How on earth? What? Doesn't have a battery, guys. It's not charged. What on earth? Yes, the battery is not charged. That's nuts. Oh well. I have another battery. Let me get it. Okay, I have another big battery. I have these big batteries because I really love to do video. No, I mean, holy moly, it's not even the same kind of battery. Wow, this is nuts. It's not the same kind. Oh no, this one is smaller. This one is not. Oh my. Well, this one goes for my Canon DSLR. So this is not the right battery. Sorry guys. So I guess you're gonna have to wait for a couple of hours, guys, before we can test this out. Because I'm gonna have to charge this. What can we do? They didn't pre-charge it. That is not so nice. See, it's dead. Oh well. Okay guys, I'll be back. Oh no, it doesn't want to come out. Holy moly. Okay guys, I'll be back. I shall return. Okay guys, so I just hooked the charger, the AC adapter, so that the battery can charge. And okay, look what happened. It automatically turns on if you open the LCD. Sweetie, please, I'm doing a review. And look at the screen. Sweetie, get Mickey Mouse out. This one, as you know, it will tilt like that to where you can see yourself when you do video recording. And you can do like that as well if you wanna play what you recorded. But let's turn that this way. Okay, oh my goodness, it's gonna set it up. English. This is a touchscreen as well. I like touchscreen. And okay, it has a date, and let's just set that up. I'm not gonna go through that. Oh, MP4 movies are ideal for playback and web upload from a computer or smartphone. Okay, what is that? AVs are ideal for playback on HD TV. Baby, what? Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, this has two mode. It has two movie formats. So they said MP4 is ideal for playback and web upload. So let's choose that. Setup is complete. Yep. Okay. Check whether the lens. Oh no. Yep, it's covered. Memory is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mike, look at the color. It's so vibrant. It's real color. Look at the color, guys. Mike, excuse me, Angel. Oh, this is awesome. It's not like my other Canon camcorder that it makes the color so pale, and it makes me so pale like I have no blood. But right now it is so red. Look at Angry Bird over here. Let's put Angry Bird in the spotlight. Oh my goodness, look at Angry Bird. Don't worry, this one, right, hold on. You can see the actual video of this. I'm gonna put the actual video of this. I have my lights on in the camera, so let's turn that a bit down. And this is to press. What is going on? This is what you press when you record. So no way, it's The memory card is full. What is wrong with me? See, I told you I video a lot. That's why it's full. Okay, let me get another memory card. My, please. My, please. Not in there. Okay, so this one, I have 32 gigabytes. See, don't tell me this is out of. Okay, we gotta turn the camera off before taking out the SD card, supposedly. Okay. Okay. Alright, turn it back on again. And okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be recording this. I'm gonna be putting this also in this video. So I'm recording Angry Bird right now. And I really like the color. It's true color. It's not pale faded.
Remember this?
Wow, sweetie, that's nice.
Remember that?
No, I remember that. Let's video my mask. Ooh, look at the mask.
I'll get the Owens so we can all see those ones.
Okay, so I'm videoing the mask right now. Okay, so see, the color red is really red. I have a lights right now of me, but that's why
Wait, do you have other
it's
masks?
a little
Here?
bright.
Do you have
No
other
more.
masks?
But this is very contrast, so let's focus on that. So to focus it, guys, you just have to keep steady and will automatically focus that area right there.
Mommy, do you have other masks?
No more. Okay, I'm gonna be videoing outside this time. Like, look, the sky or other stuff. Okay, guys, so gonna video outside. Let's go. In this video, so I'm recording Angry Bird right now. And I really like the color. It's true color. It's not pale faded.
Remember this?
Wow,
mask?
sweetie, that's nice.
Remember that?
No, I remember that. Let's video my mask. Ooh, look at the mask.
I'll get the Owens so we can all see those ones.
Okay, so I'm videoing the mask right now. Okay, so see, the color red is really red. I have a lights right now of me, but that's why
Wait, do you have other
it's
masks?
a little
Here?
bright.
Do you have
No
other
more.
masks?
But this is very contrast, so let's focus on that. So to focus it, guys, you just have to keep steady and will automatically focus that area right there.
Mommy, do you have other masks and toys?
Hi guys, I'm Minion. Look at Minion. How nice is the color? Oh my goodness, I love the color. Look at the color. Amazing. Nice. Look at the color. I like the color. It's not pale. It's nice color. Look at Minion. He is really red. Okay guys, another feature of this one is really cool is, the color is awesome. Look at that. And this is an automatic function. So when you go real up close to an object, it actually focuses itself automatically. See, you will see above where it is a flower, and that means it is on close-up mode. And it is really cool. See, for example, I put my hand right there. It focuses my hand and go back to the object. It will focus automatically as well.
See, the fresh air and sunshine does help. Sissy hasn't even been sniffling at all.
Yeah, it helps.
You want me to take your phone?
That was funny when I was at I'm deleting it. Now we are? Yeah. Oh, no, I'm great. But it doesn't look any better.
We waiting for Gregory to pay.
Oh, here. Babe, come on.
You don't care?
Hi, Daddy. What?
Yeah, it goes around that corner and then slams on the brake.
That's scary. I don't like that. I like to ride it.
Yeah, because if you come around the curve and like your stomach's feeling queasy, then it slams on the brake and brings it up to your throat.
Ew. And then the one in front of you. Be the one in front of you. Will get the prize. Okay, let's go. I don't want to take so long.
Now that we actually had time to spare.
I know.
Very pregnant.
What did he say again?
Round this corner.
Haley!
Cutting machine.
Can we go in yet?
Not yet.
Put the brakes on it, Daddy.
Hey!
Get over the side too. It's on the ducks.
Hello.
Look up.
No, go for it. Go there.
Sorry.
I did.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it's spill on him. Okay, let's go there now. I was videoing the duck and then you went, la, look at the bird, and then she did the bird. Oh, here, B, because, hold on, B, there's the duck. Can you just go?
I love Disney.
Wow, B, it's nice in here. Hold on a minute.
Sissy.
No, not right now. I'm doing a video.
Salt batch filled with fudge.
I don't care. I'm doing something.
Vamos, Lali. Don't smile.
Whatever you do,
Don't smile. Resuelto. Resuelto.
Catch all the little names. Casey's Corner.
What?
You can get the nail plus.
You know what? It's not even true really color. Look. If I'm using a DSLR, this will be a real color.
Nike flower.
This will be a real color.
I know. Look at Sissy and Lucky flowers.
I know. Look at that, Sissy. You see the color? If I'm using DSLR, it will be true like
You
like
don't know how
that.
that's going to turn out on the
That, see?
display. Might not be what it actually looks like on another screen.
No, what you see here is what you have. What will you have? Actual. Look, I'm gonna video this castle.
Stop, Josh. Good. I didn't like it.
Michael, over here! Michael, man! is in low light condition. Angel, close it. See, I'm doing a review. The camera. So guys, thank you for watching this video and hope you like it. Hope you like my review and give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out our other videos. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye! Be sure to check out my other videos guys over here, or here. And if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. See ya!